please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you wanted to help support this channel, it won't cost you anything. All you gotta do is use the links in the description if you want to get any of the parts I use in this video. Hey, what's going on, Rich? Back with another awesome video for you. It's been a while since I made some videos. I've been super busy with everything, but I'm back with another great video for you. I ended up picking a Toro Super Recycler up, which is one of the best lawnmowers you can get for consumer use, which is for your household, as opposed to commercial where you're doing it professionally every day. Now, this is basically a commercial lawnmower that's put into a consumer package. It is an aluminum deck, which means it's super light, it will not rust, and it will pretty much last forever as long as you don't bang it up and drill holes in it or anything else. This one was left outside for a long time, so as you can see, it's, you know, the steel parts, like right here, this is the height adjustment piece that was rusted because it was left outside, and it's a little dirty right now. Obviously, I got to clean it up, but the paint actually just peeled and chipped off because it was just left outside and it wasn't really taken care of. However, the deck itself, which is made out of aluminum, will not rust, will not corrode, will not have any problems. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sand everything down. I'm going to repaint it. I got some new wheels for it. I already replaced everything else, so the motor thing is running great as it is. As you can see, I got a new spark plug in there. It's platinum. I have true fuel that I'm using for gas as opposed to regular fuel from the gas station. So this thing is running tip-top right now. It's really running amazing. I put a new belt on it, put a new blade on it, new spark plug, new air filter, cleaned the carburetor out, replaced the carburetor, and it is just an amazing, amazing lawnmower. This is a Briggs & Stratton 6.5 horsepower motor, I think. They're 6.5 or 6.75. But either way, it's a really great Briggs motor, and it's just an amazing, amazing lawnmower. So I'm gonna get this thing rebuilt. I'm gonna show you the whole process. I'm gonna show you what I do to get this thing going, to get it running better again, what you should do, what you shouldn't, you know. I picked this up used. I picked it up pretty cheap because it was just left outside and neglected. And as I said, I'm gonna restore this thing and I'm gonna bring this thing back to life. So I already started painting the handle. I took the handle off, I sanded it down, I painted it. As you can see, I already restored the handle. It is looking pretty good. I sanded it all down and painted it black. I cleaned the plastic up over here and put some treatment on it. I just cut the grass with it, I use it. So it is dirty and it does need to be cleaned up and repainted and everything, but it's running like a top. And these mowers are just, these are unbelievable mowers. So again, I just wanted to show you what it is and show you, you know, give you a little overview of it, but it's a 21-inch lawnmower and it's rear wheel drive, which is the best part about it. It's got a personal pace transmission, which means as you push down on it, it goes faster. As you pull back, it goes slower. And if you pull all the way back, it will stop. So it's really great. You don't have to worry about it. Just, you know, once you pull the handle, it just starts going and you got to run and catch up with it. It goes at your pace. So again, this is a really, really great mower. I'm going to show you everything you need to do to restore it, and let's get started. So if you made it this far in the video, I really appreciate you sticking around and watching. And I'm going to be making a playlist with all the videos showing you how to repair, to replace, to fix, to maintain, and anything you could think of to this mower. We'll put them all together in a playlist so you could find them in an organized fashion, and you can just sit back and enjoy. So thank you so much again for watching this video. I really hope it helped you out. If you wanted to pick up any of the stuff that I'm going to be using in this video, I'm going to leave some links down in the description. And if you can, make sure to click that like button, subscribe to my channel for more awesome content, and let me know if you have any questions or comments in the section down below. Don't forget to check out the playlist that I'm going to be making on this mower.